an open message.
Oh yeah, me.
Say your last watch and now say full party.
Oh, ebebaso, ndiye.
Senior.
Ediye say
I scanning through bottom. That's a would read but
oh, say minim nipa na make kana sem.
Abase ebebaso. Dear jinem.
Na ocho so yes.
Exactly. It's me person or say
unconfirmed ana.
Exactly. Also you are not the paymaster. On your person holder.
Nti me kwa number say
and I person
number say sankomo we bantem.
O your person holder na.
Rich. Okay, time I na I don't head of marketing Gede. Gede some year.
Obekona.
Future was another good. Or some way na oko. Sa party na Gede response I.
Debbie, multimedia na ye.
Okay.
Nti mo mama nsi o de mo nsi. Nti say the nipa ba be yi.
That's a whole cordia.
Who farewell watch party bia.
E say free throw.
Unse man ka somebody man see o dey no aka. Try be so.
Oh, Debbie. But Rich, say you see, and that is where you come in. See a head of sports, I see a man of send offer. But it is not beyond you.
I think I mean a watch party.
But Rich, but Nyamiadom is not beyond you and I.
I say
Friday Zando Fatilo
I concur when they say a bus about concourse is here
but Rich and you beyond that.
Oh yeah,
there are things that I'm
Friday. I mean
say any watch kind of full crown is a
party
na it's
then you better need to last up now.
You come back, I come $200. And not maybe next week.
That's 200 society. Oh, number 2,000 plus.
Maybe birthday see next week. But
you my wife now so the cameras million so. Yemfanya watch party.
Watch out to put them in the program.
Oh, but the way see canon. Watch party no ne boy ya na ni soro sa o
nyehu za o
ya na nyehu sa aha ti se
eno grab select
some per budget I bet mama mo budget
we dey select do obi ani bedibi I don't really ni pani bi wa do mbeka wa price ne be cost you go mini pro to onu go be 25
Friday
oh say the Friday
dey be air to die now
we are fine we are fine go me too
o ti asema I can't last minute
no
I say for how long would you like to keep a player who is unhappy in your club? Barca was transfer strategy for Julian Alvarez. I don't know.
That is the only option.
Exactly. But Rich, Atletico Madrid have also made it clear, and like Barca, like Ala rightly explained, for Atletico, Utie Gilmar more any Diego Simeone more, they don't want to be a selling club again. That is if they were before, and as they don't want to be a selling club, especially so they won't compare Barca and Madrid.
Only your competitors.
They want to be able to compete, of course, because that two clubs, no Barca and Madrid, are before they use it to go and win Champions League. So for Atletico this time, they want to keep Julian. Meaning, you see, the situation in which Julian every Man City buy, you know. That is why me, Semi Abbas and Ukraine, I won't support him. Even if there was a gentleman's agreement, I can understand sometimes in principle, gentleman's agreements are bigger in terms of even paper. So the only thing is I don't have evidence to back it. But in principle, gentleman's agreements, no, in fair Niagro.
Yeah. But even verbal contracts.
Yes, yeah, fair Niagro.
Even verbal.
But Rich, on every Manchester City, no baby. Barca were not willing at the time. Madrid were not willing at the time. Atletico paid hard cash, took him from Manchester City, again gave him Adiana Ope, Rich Abraham Julian Alvarez every Man City bano. Not any Champions League na Ope. He just wanted a club where he could play consistently, because he felt that per the quality as a player, they are Pep not all year with Erling Haaland, Obe bread to get game time, and it was true. And in moving to Atletico de Madrid, who do you know Alexander Solo, Griezmann, whoever an attacker has been in that few years has been, he has had more minutes in the big games. Champions League, Copa del Rey, leagues, what have you. And this has even culminated more into the game time Argentina team. So I agree. And especially when the contract base now doesn't favor him. Obebre. And I like Atletico de Madrid stance. You know the release clause. We don't have to negotiate. Yes, and Ambassador are hinging on player and NGO, player and NGO, player and NGO. No, so there. Leave that to us. We want to keep the player. Which say 1st September through Kim near close transfer window now. Julian will be happy. At least he would have to be happy for one more season. And Atletico would bank on him. I don't know how the deal will go, but for Barcelona, they are playing the waiting game and banking on the fact that play an inning. We'll see how that will go.
But we are Atletico Madrid. A player on your willing, on your happy, our club him, So now, be person be keep that player.
You see, a very dicey. But based on Atletico for vision and what they want for the club in T, I think I'll stick with that. They don't, even if they go, they won't make it easy. And so Moka say, so a person will turn and pay the 500 million, which is the release clause. Which of course he didn't say is too outrageous for a player like. And when they Spain for no release clause, no, reach a artificial barriers keke. Because all the 1 billion share Pedri contract. One go for one, unless maybe inflation because at that point internet can perform. So I want to see how that unfolds with Julian Alvarez.
Show video. See Julian Alvarez and Ano Pay or come training. Any more than on any agent. And he's even coming at a point that my training every year. And on any agents, Sergio Diaz and now feel. The last bridge to NSMBC, you know, FIFA deals with these things now. Once football contract and slavery contract, and player no work contract to 2030, and the release clause here 500 million. But what if the player says, "Minim sa, but still club mimbo biem." Mimbo. You are not bound by the contract. Say chinchina or sorting. You can take it to the next level, where a tribunal would then sit and says, "Okay, player and sign contract." But player and
I think there was a Spanish lawyer or Baba can say the 500 million. No, Lionel Alvarez beat me a pushy to CAS or FIFA and say that any a fair reflection of the value in today's market. You force Atletico to reduce it, where Barca can now say that
exactly. So there's a formula to calculate players' value. Those release clauses are artificial. It gets to bring you to the negotiating table. So William Alvarez say it does our level where I feel or there are something a higher body to say, look, my sign contract be contract in MBU 2030, but in the contract in Besame to Asubium. And Sika team did it to me. And the team no value me. Team now, it will compensate them for their contract extension. It's a contract duration. It can be done. It may do some level, no, where he will be evaluated. Then Barca can pay
after Pierre Far Neymar from Barcelona to 222. No, your top player be more than 222.
That's the highest.
That's the highest.
I think Julian maybe pushy Baba 150. Maybe Barca can now
it makes sense.
Find a way to do a deal for him. Now, which unim adia ekumekra. Julian Alvarez or nam Ibiza nyano ni Enzo Fernandez enamo. Omo video yobo Bob panel. We want there some say hey
Argentina for me.
Agoi uni as say so bad ne.
Ono so nyamai.
Yes you know kokoba mo konena wa see have you pastor so ba.
Okay.
Me bon paye because the a didn't see a proper replacement, especially given the time. Honestly, Rich, say me who says so be babeto Enzo 120 million credit nah. One shiny if you want to get play Okita Enzo experience, you know, I'm talking about World Cup played in the Premier League and can play the kind of football not born now. One shiny to me for 120 million kophobia. So honestly speaking, but the truth is that say Rodri to Barcelona in your car, the cascading effect will start. Enzo Maresca and Hani Betono, and he will wonder, and even Tijani Randers also possibility to be free Manchester City or and to make it more, plus the experience that they are losing in Rodri, Man City for no ask for a player that can come and play like that. Meaning so much to you Boadimo, but Boadi is not an Enzo, and they would want to come. And then the Atletico.
Madrid has a club. So when you watch,
aye.
And the answer or
someone be that die maybe a bar won't say someone by someone pay. Uzomba be show so maybe so but of course, depending on what Jose Mourinho will say today,
the second option should be
Enzo Fernandez. Honestly speaking, no be say Chelsea need be any problem. Enka transfer ni enya no can come out. Yeah, replace
losing Enzo Fernandez.
And you do be adwunu.
Video be shamo.
You losing again.
Left, right, center.
Transfer there now we.
The call the team.
The last season.
No,
I never sang go for.
Another last season we the idea man.
You see the experience about
Paris
Chaveri only 29. Yeah, the Morgan Rogers about.
Premier League no.
Okay.
Premier League no bobo no.
This season Ahmad mo.
And
I'm the Rashford abeka.
Say ya na mo kwa mo some striker. Zexi wo. Zexi. Pe cash.
Mubeska. Na the Atletico Madrid the Zexi dey say yama mu 2 series ka for the my 2 series.
Yasi mpanifona TV Free Club. Zeti ya tono
na Egyptian striker na Obama
Abdul Karim.
Abdul Karim wange yene ko Obama Zeti dey ma Abdul Karim
ya to play aboka. Ebesi ne one club grammar so apparent.
Now you say this is Moya Samba Beton Ugati is all Ugati so to them. Messi is well
but no calling him any me say eto on football anya fair. Mokoto Zezino he was the best young player in
Syria. Yeah.
And see eto be football anya fair.
No ono ankasa playing time so hano. Na ye man in time because of the performance no.
Until performance no.
I think that's a transfer man.
That argument
now open say play on the yard there. Now the next bench. How do you expect him to?
But you move from Serie A to Manchester United. The environment is bigger. The environment is a competitive environment. And what's our performance? The Chelsea was here,
but because of a different league now. But
no problem. You need to quickly adapt and get it running. So why am I performing? Man, you need me say or the man say fatty to Manchester United.
Most of the tenant United bro.
That will be a channel.
No,
if you know a Toho Island, I'm about to say the next season of Kofa Benjamin Sesko by the club in the booth.
Kakaya Sesko Bay. Kakaya in one way. You know what do you to so bit my boy. Just open playing time now. You do buy and watch it.
Ask now for midfield depth no money, and I don't know if that is why I almost started some more offer Mouse Lewis Kelly to both Arsenal, both Chelsea and Man United. But I think for Inca United is a good offer at left back. Because actually is a left back, but remember
more years.
Yeah, and Luke Shaw is aging. United left back area on there's a question. I think that's Nhyira. He's someone that can play on the left, can come inside, and United issues with midfield. Maybe the problem in midfield. Mason, I don't think you can trust him for the season. Yuri Tillman, 30, entering 30 plus. Andre Santos, yes, he's a good player, but just as it was at Chelsea, can he give you that consistent performance, the experience now on Kitano? And again, United workload this season, a bit different from last season.
And this is last in our Premier League. Champions League, FA Cup, Carling.
Exactly.
Why Carabao would need
the somehow, yeah, the Yako Austria ba.
Okay.
Tieba be train.
What we need saying? So far, mbom matches and
Juventus ni Tottenham most special logos be last minute.
Okay.
But yet she.
It is similar to Kwanam to show. Two. Out of saying more how many matches?
5 matches.
5 matches.
About draw one. If you need 2, you about draw 2.
Oh, okay. Okay. I think that's fine.
That's fine.
Right. But since the start here, me Enzo Fernandez be free.
But that share pre-season going into the season, Obian Shadan, you know, say as a too much of a favorite, say, Obeji Premier League.
I like next season and Casa because of the
Muda
team,
hub.
good
Yeah,
teams,
Muda
and
hub.
lots of things. I think a lot of things can happen.
David Asante say, Manchester United will be sorry this season. You are competing in all levels, including the UEFA Champions League. Yababo. Why? Enti Musumaniwa na insu there. Judah Usuba for good morning. Now to say.